Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Georges Brook-Milton is a charming town located on Smith Sound in Trinity Bay, Newfoundland and Labrador. The history of this community dates back to the 19th century. Georges Brook saw its first settlers around 1862 when John Pelly established a sawmill, marking the beginning of the community's development. Milton, originally known as King's Cove, was settled in 1869 by William James Adams and his family. The community underwent a name change to Milton in 1910, possibly in honor of the poet John Milton. Throughout the years, these communities have been closely linked to the logging industry. At its peak in the 1930s, Milton operated multiple sawmills, both water-powered and gas-powered, reflecting the area's rich logging heritage. The incorporation of Georges Brook-Milton represents a unified community with a shared history and a promising future, nestled in the scenic landscapes of Newfoundland and Labrador.
Thanks for watching!